circuit in this series connection. So I'm going to check more with multimeters. So you set your multimeter in continuity mode, that is in the pin section. Okay, so I'll connect from one end. Here there's continuity, so as you can see, this one's on. Have you been throwing away your LED bulbs? You have been doing a horrible mistake. I can teach you how to repair it in a minute. Mostly the problems are usually this injector, the shock, but just like you, I'm going to think it's the shock that have issue initially. So I've been replacing them. I've tried a lot of new shocks and it was still not working. So I decided to open it and then check all the LED bulbs that make up the entire POP light, and then I realized some of them were open circuit. So because they are connected in series, if there's any one that is open, of course it will affect the entire bulb, because if anyone is open, there's no continuity. So I have used jumper to bypass some of the open circuit. So I decided to check more, and there are more open circuit as I just check earlier. So I'm going to use multimeter to do the testing, because they are just a very small power LED. So more open circuit in this series connection. So I'm going to check more with multimeters. So you set your multimeter in continuity mode, that is in the pin section. Okay, so I'll connect from one end. So if anyone that is working should be lighting up. So this one is short circuit. This shouldn't be affecting it because there's continuity. So anyone that is open circuit is the only issue here. So from here to here there's continuity. So as you can see, this one's on. Yeah. Okay. I think there's still continuity. Okay, it seems like there's issue between here. This one is not lighting up, so these two, I think they are opened. Okay, so I'll bypass these two to ensure continuity. Okay, these two are okay. So to remember, then I'll count it 4 away from the jumper. So 1, 2. So if I want to bypass it, I'll use a lead to solder jumper wire to bypass this two. Okay, this jumper is showing continuity. So to reduce the length of the video, I will pause the video here, then I'll do the test to make sure it go round. Yep. So as you can see, all right. So after my testing, I realized it's only these two that are having issues. So I'm going to use a jumper to bypass these two. So just hold on, I'm gonna do that. You know how to solder already, so I'm not gonna waste time. Come back and do the testing. So I've used another jumper, and then there's continuity from positive all around to the negative now. So it is time for testing. So here it is. Okay, so as you can see, it's on now. I will just package it and then we'll see how beautiful it will be. Okay, so I'm gonna do that now. So in most cases, when LED POP bulb have issue, it's usually this choke. But after replacing the choke with a new choke, the further thing you're going to check is to open the LED bulb, then test all the bulbs in series. If there's anyone that is open, it will cause a problem to the entire light, so you have to bypass such. So this the stuff after packaging it. So I decided to connect a 15 ohm resistor in series with the output to the LED, because I have lost some LED, so the resistance will decrease. So I have to put another resistor in series to reduce the amount of current going to the fewer LEDs. So the lifespan of the LED will last a bit. If not, it will take a shorter time before more LED will damage inside again. So I decided to put this resistor in serial. Okay, so after that I'll take it up. Okay, so after normalizing everything, I'm doing the final test. You can see the resistor in series to add additional protection. So see how bright it is. So I'm gonna take it back to up to the ceiling, then cleared. Okay, so let me test it. Alright, so I'll now arrange it properly in the ceiling. Okay, so this is the final package. So let me turn it on. Yep. Okay. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment.